Hello friends, today we will solve Geeks for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is reminder evaluation. So now we open this question. So the question is reminder evaluation. Given are two positive integers num1 and num2. The task is to find the remainder when num1 is divided by num2. So now we see first example. So num1 is 5 and num2 is 3. If we divide num1 by num2, then we will get the remainder 2. So we return this 2. Now we see second example. So the second example is num5 num2. So here we divide by num1 by num2. So the remainder will be 10. So we cannot divide by 10. So it is the remainder 10. So this question is very simple. Here we use only return statement. We use for getting remainder, we use modulo operator. So num1 modulo num2. So this is the solution of the given question. So this question is very simple, very simple. So now we compile and run this code. So the code is successfully compiled and done. Now we check all test cases. So submit this code. So submit this code. So all the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.